So this was a field, and Dad's driveway that was just finished being fixed used to be right there. Can't get really any farther up the road because there's all these trees down. Yeah, it's bad the pipe made it 2 days. Well, not even 2 days, but that's crazy. Well, it looks like this is going to be the end of the road on this road. So I was just told by somebody passing the other way that the road going the opposite direction is completely washed out too. So I guess we're kind of stuck in the community for right now.